so glad to be here today. I actually feel really emotional because each and every word that I heard just hit my heart because it can't be more true. Obviously, bias है because he's my father, he's our father. तो मोहब्बत होती है इंसान को अपने अब्बू से जिस तरह से और किसी से नहीं होती मगर it's a blessing to have him as a father because he's an exceptional person who leads by example. So everything he's ever taught us has come by example. He hasn't taught us to not lie. He hasn't taught us to by words. He's always shown us. So kabhi bhi, whenever like I feel down in life, like I just go and speak to him, and he doesn't tell me what to do, but he tells me an incident from his life, and everything just becomes clear. कि किस तरह से ज़िंदगी के उतार चढ़ाव में आपने कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करनी है. दैट्स सच अ ह्यूज थिंग दैट शाज़ेब भाई जस्ट सेड बिकॉज दैट्स अ ह्यूज टेक अवे फॉर मी ऑल्सो बिकॉज सारी क्वालिटीज़ को मिला के एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ज़िंदगी आपकी क्वालिटीज़ अच्छी होंगी व्हेन यू हैव गुड सर्कमस्टांसेस बट इन एडवर्सिटीज़ आप किस तरह रिएक्ट करते हैं. एंड वी नो बाय हिज एग्जाम्पल ही सीन सो मेनी एडवर्सिटीज़ इन हिज लाइफ. Good positions, bad positions, उतार चढ़ाव इनकी ज़िंदगी में इतने आए हैं but he's always consistently been him, which is humble, which is advocate for women. Before I even knew about feminism, I could see it through him. And I have a lot of examples and role models in my family because I'm the youngest sister, but it all comes through him at the end of the day. And जो भी कहा जाए कम है. There's just one thing I want to say to Baba कि you know when you make a dish or you cook something, आप सारी चीज़ें डाल देंगे ना, अगर उसमें नमक नहीं होगा तो उसमें जायका नहीं होगा. And he's that salt in our family that brings it all together. That's also a story he told me, so he knows what I'm talking about. Thank you so much.